as you can see, it's that tire. Well, that was fast.
Yeah.
You know, I don't know if I have the brake on.
It's fine.
Right?
It's okay.
That's an old tire, I'll tell you that.
Is it with Ava's budget?
Excuse me?
Is it with Ava's budget?
Yes. That's the type of tire.
Yeah, this is the donuts.
Is that okay to use?
Yeah, of course. That's why it's made for.
So I can go to like Fort Lauderdale with that tire?
Yeah, you just need to drive less than 55 miles per hour.
Okay, that's no problem.
I mean, if you go to fix this tire, it will be better for you. And just keep the receipt for the rental company.
Alright. You fixed the tire? Because that tire was terrible.
They have to fix it, yeah. Can you hold this one for me?
Yeah, sure.
Please, thanks, man.
So you're saying bring it back to budget to get fixed?
No, take it to the tire shop if you want.
Oh, around here?
Yeah, fix it and give them the receipt.
Okay.
I mean, it's up to you. Whatever you want.
This thing is good.
Yeah, this one is
Yeah,
good.
just don't go fast.
Yeah.
No problem. Yeah, I'm just going to go to Disney World around here, so I don't have to go that fast.
No, it should be good.
Yeah.
Do you have Google on your phone?
Do I have what?
Google.
That's
I need the 5-star review on my website. If you can do that for me meanwhile we finish.
Yes, yeah.
Please.
My wife has the phone, but
Okay.
Yeah. So it's called Google?
No, Google. Like
Google.
to search
I'm
on my
sorry,
business.
Yeah. Google. And what's the name of the company?
Jumpstart Roadside.
Champside Road.
Jumpstart.
Okay, Jumpstart. Do you have a card?
Yeah, I'm gonna give you my card. Yeah.
'cause I won't remember all this. All right, and we'll probably do it. So we just make it here and.
Whatever you feel comfortable with.
Yeah. As long as the tie is safe, that's okay.
You're good. There you go. That's it.
That's it.
I'm gonna take my pictures and we are done.
Okay. Well, you couldn't do much better than that. You were 5 minutes here after.
Always
we
faster.
called, and did good. Very professional. That's what.
Thank you so much, man. I appreciate you.
It's your company?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Good luck and all that goes with it.
Thank you so much. I'm gonna give you my business card.
Yes. And do you have a written receipt? Can you give me that or?
Oh, they will provide you the receipt
Who will?
because you paid them.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay.
the insurance, right?
Oh, okay, yeah. So in other words, budget bill. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. How much was it? 130 or something like that?
I'm not sure how much they charge you exactly, man.
Okay. No problem.
I think it's 100. I'm not sure. I do have a business card. We give him the business card now. There you go.
Okay. All right, I'll see you in a few minutes. then.
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
So if you go on the map
Yeah.
or Google, you put this name, Jumpstart Roadside, I will show up to you, okay?
All right, so I go to Google and I put
Jumpstart Roadside Assistance. It will
Assistant.
show up to you.
All right,
It will show up the
up.
business name,
All right,
okay?
and then I just put a note in there? Is
5 stars and whatever you feel.
I put in 5 stars.
5 stars
Yeah,
for me,
which
please.
it is. Okay.
Yes.
No problem.
Mohammed,
Mohammed.
thank you so
Dennis.
much.
Okay.
Nice to meet you, Dennis. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.
You too.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
You're welcome.